A website sells 5 different products with 5 different prices. Should I create separate campaigns for each product or single campaign with different ad groups? Really good question and a very interesting question. 5 different prices. Now, if the profit margins on each one of these are the same, then you could run the same campaign. But if they're different, then you will have different ROAS figure to run with, or the cost per acquisition. So then you should run with different campaigns. And I would, for sure, run different, absolutely, because keeps things very segmented. And then because in the naming convention, you can say that this campaign we are bidding at such and such ROAS or Target CPA. Yeah, absolutely. That's how I would go about it.